Hello students. So today we are going to learn our last lesson of grammatical part. So 8th lesson you can see here. And what is our lesson name? The subject and the predicate. Okay. What is meant by subject and what is meant by predicate. So today we will learn about this type of grammatical part. So look at the two parts of the following sentences. Firstly, you have given here 4 sentences and these 4 sentences have two parts. First is A and second B. These two parts is divided as a subject and the predicate. So A part which you can see here, this A part is called subject and B part is called predicate. Why and how? So let us we will learn. सब्जेक्ट मीन्स वह वाक्य का भाग होता है जो सेंटेंस में कर्ता में आता है या फिर हम उसे बोलते हैं नाउन्स एज अ नाउन आता है. ओके, तो सन, द डॉग, द पीकॉक एंड अशोका's sister, these are called the noun of the sentence and also we say it as a subject of that sentence. Okay, it means the sun, the dog, the peacock, Ashoka's sister, these are the nouns as well as the subject of our sentence. So let us see the B part. Here we can see the sun rises in the east. This is our full sentence. Okay, the sun rises in the east. Then the dog is running after the cat. Third, the peacock is dancing under the tree. Fourth, Ashoka's sister was playing in the park. In this way, we can see here 4 sentences and these 4 sentences is divided as a subject in the predicate. So first part we can see the A part, this is called subject as well as the noun of our sentence. So remaining all part, this is called predicate. That this predicate shows or this predicate describes about the information of this noun. ओके, तो नाउन जो होते हैं उसी को हम सब्जेक्ट बोलते हैं और नाउन के बारे में अधिक इन्फॉर्मेशन देने वाला जो पार्ट होता है सेंटेंस का उसे हम प्रेडिकेट बोलते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो in this sentence the sun, this is a subject, and rises in the east, this is predicate of that sentence. Same like this, the dog, this is a subject, and is running after the cat, these are called predicate. Also the peacock, this is the subject of that sentence, and is dancing under the tree, this is predicate of that sentence. Ashoka's sister, this is the subject of this sentence, and was playing in the park, this is predicate of that sentence. It means we see that which we called subject and which we call predicate. So noun, which we can see the every sentence has a noun, that any of the noun subject noun जो होता है वो पर्सन का नाम होता है, थिंग्स का नाम होता है, एनिमल्स का नाम होता है, कोई भी नाम हम नाउन में देखते हैं या फिर उस सेंटेंस में नाउन हम देखते हैं तो वो सारे नाउन जो होते हैं उसी को हम सब्जेक्ट बोलते हैं. और रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ दैट सेंटेंस, कोई भी सेंटेंस का जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट होता है नाउन को छोड़ के जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट होता है उसे हम बोलते हैं प्रेडिकेट. एंड प्रेडिकेट क्या काम करता है? प्रेडिकेट जो होता है वो नाउन के बारे में हमें इंफॉर्मेशन देने का काम करता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप्स यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज मीन बाय सब्जेक्ट एंड व्हाट इज मीन बाय प्रेडिकेट. सो नाउन, every sentence has a noun and these all nouns is called subject and remaining all part which gives us information about that noun is called predicate. Okay, so we will learn next point. You shall notice that part A of each sentence contains the person or thing we are talking about. We call it the subject of the sentence. It means A part which we can see here, this is called subject because here we can see the person's name, thing's name that we can see. So it is called subject. So look at this table. The sun rises in the east. The dog is running after the cat. The peacock is dancing under the tree. Ashoka's sister was playing in the park. In this way, these 4 sentences we can divide it into red color. You can see the subject part and remaining gray color you can see it is as predicate part. Okay, hopes you understand. So let us see next. Part B of each sentence contains what we say about subject. We call it the predicate of that sentence. पार्ट बी जो है, मतलब ये जो पार्ट बी आपको दिया है तो ये पार्ट बी क्या बताता है कि उस सेंटेंस में जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट आता है वो हमारा प्रेडिकेट है क्योंकि वो प्रेडिकेट नाउन्स के बारे में हमें इंफॉर्मेशन देता है. सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड द प्रेडिकेट ऑफ दैट सेंटेंस. सो लेट अस सी. In this way, we had learned the subject is that part of a sentence which names the persons or things we are speaking about. सब्जेक्ट कौन सा पार्ट होता है? सब्जेक्ट वो पार्ट है जो सेंटेंस में नाउन्स मतलब सेंटेंस के जो नेम्स आते हैं, जो नाउन्स आते हैं, पर्सन हो या थिंग्स हो, उसके बारे में यहाँ पे बात करते हैं, तो वो वाला पार्ट हमारा सब्जेक्ट होता है. देन द प्रेडिकेट इज दैट पार्ट ऑफ अ सेंटेंस विच टेल्स समथिंग अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट. प्रेडिकेट वह पार्ट होता है सेंटेंस का जिसमें सब्जेक्ट के बारे में हमें अधिक इन्फॉर्मेशन देता है, तो उसे हम बोलते हैं प्रेडिकेट का पार्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अगेन एंड अगेन वी जस्ट say you that subject and predicate means the subject means we are speaking about that subject. It also we call the noun. It means noun. Every sentence has a noun and these all nouns we called as a subject. And remaining part which we can see, this part tells something about the subject. These parts tells about the subject, so it is called predicate of that sentence. So look at here, the dog is running after the cat. तो dog है, तो dog क्या है? हमारा सब्जेक्ट है. is running after the cat मतलब वो कैट के पीछे भाग रहा है. पर ये कौन भाग रहा है? डॉग भाग रहा है. मतलब ये वाला जो सेंटेंस है, जो प्रेडिकेट है, वो प्रेडिकेट क्या शो ऑफ करता है कि ये डॉग उस सेंटेंस में क्या कर रहा है, उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देने का काम ये प्रेडिकेट का पार्ट करता है. सो यू शुड रिमेंबर दैट सब्जेक्ट मीन्स नाउन ऑफ दैट सेंटेंस एंड रिमेनिंग ऑल द पार्ट विच टेल्स समथिंग अबाउट दैट सब्जेक्ट, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रेडिकेट. Okay students, hopes you understand. So let us see the exercise on that chapter. So let us see here on the page number 130. You can see here exercise. You have given question number first. Match the two parts of each sentence. Write the sentences in your notebook. So you have to match these two parts. Which two parts? Subject part and predicate part. You have given also here left side. These are called subject part and remaining all these right side of part, this is called predicate. So you have to match the subject with to its predicate. So and after them, when you will match it, then you have to write this full sentence in your notebook. So how? Let us see here example you have given first. So God loves all men. God का जो मैच द पेयर्स है वो कहाँ पे किया है? इस तरह से God loves all men. In this way you should match this pair and you have to write full sentence in below or into your notebook. Okay students, so now let us we will match the remaining all parts or all subject to its predicate. So first, God loves all men. Okay, then second, birds lives in nests. Third, the rose is a lovely flower. The rose is a lovely flower. A monkey has a long tail. Then an elephant has a long nose. Bees and ants work very hard. In this way, you have to also match these pairs of this subject to this predicate. Okay, and then after you have to write this type of lines it in your notebook. So let us see the question number second. Choose a suitable subject for each predicate. So you have given in the box here, you have to given subject of all these sentences, and here you have to complete this subject to its predicate. So here you have given predicate part, which remaining part you have given here, and subject you have to find out which subject is matching to its predicate. So I have also solved it for yourself, so you can take care while you are solving your textbook. So first, the sun is very hot. Second, the stars shine at night. Third, all parents love their children. Fourth, my father works in a factory. Fifth, the gardener is watering the plants. Sixth, the teacher is teaching in the class. In this way, you have to find this subject to its predicate. So you should complete this sentence or this question. So let us see the last question, question number 3. Choose a suitable predicate for each subject. So you have given first here, you have given subject and you have to solve the predicate. Just you can find out from this box and you should select those predicate which you can match against this subject. So first I have here also solved for you. So first I have given here birds are singing in the trees. Also here you have given. Next, the lion is the king of all animals. An apple has a sweet taste. A cobbler mends our shoes. The earth moves round the sun. The donkey is a useful animal. In this way, you should complete these all questions and answers. So, here you have given some of the options which is predicate of that sentences. So you should find out and complete this all the sentence. So page number 103, you should complete this all, and it's also your homework. So my dear students, hopes you understand today's lesson, that is subject and the predicate. Okay, thank you. And also I want to tell you that our first semester जो पार्ट है हमारा ग्रामर का वो आज हमने कंप्लीट किया है. सो इन अवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो और नेक्स्ट पीरियड वी विल स्टार्ट अवर सेकेंड सेमेस्टर लेसन्स और सिलेबस. ओके, थैंक यू.